Alright, this is the first of the waterfalls. There's 4 on the land. This is the bottom one. As I said previously, we came down from up there. It's about, I don't know, 35 foot walk down to here. Got a stunning river here. And we're just going to walk our way up and get the full view of this beautiful waterfall. We'll go through this way. See. And then it spirals up here. We go across this bit, and then it breaks into 2. We got up there. That's leading to the second waterfall. That's it. And then you've got the beautiful sunshine. If I go into this bit, I'll show you. Just step into this lovely pool of water. Just look at this. Look, pure fresh water. It's so nice. Absolutely amazing. I'm just soaking my face in it. Right. If I go over here, you can see the beautiful sunshine. Got all this beautiful bit coming down here. And then it trickles down. Look at that view, guys. Beautiful sunshine just beaming down right here on the waterfall. Lovely bit there. And it goes up here. Spirals along. Another little pool here. And it trickles down. Then it goes up here, another little crystal clear pool here, absolutely stunning. Look at that pool, that beautiful clean pure water, look at that. Then it goes round there, there's another pool up there, but we're going to go this way. It loops round, 2 massive nice rocks here. Look at the size of this boulder here, we'll get a view of it from up here. That's the big boulder right there. Then we're going to jump up onto this rock. Another little pool here. Let's get a little view of this, dropping down the rock. Look at that, guys. Look how pure and clean that water is. There you go. And it trickles down, goes up here into another little pool. In here, down there. And then we come along here. That's it. Goes all the way along. Under here, it's a nice little cave structure with the old rocks all forming. You imagine how many hundreds of years they've been sitting there, huh? And then there's the main waterfall. Whatever you need to do. Whatever you need to do, Uncle.
I mean, if you want to enjoy this splendour, and I'll meet you at the top.
I'll come with you.
Yeah, okay.
And there's the beautiful waterfall. That's waterfall number 1. Alright, that one's done.